What's up, guys? I Fix It in Your Face. Don't forget, I have a Facebook that you guys can join if you have questions about anything in the video or anything in regards to anything motorcycle, scooter, fix-it stuff. Join my Facebook. It's an easy way to get in contact with me and get you the help you need. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, all that good stuff, man. I make these videos for you guys. I don't make them for me. You can help me by dropping a subscription. Join the Facebook. I'm telling you, man, join the Facebook. If you're trying to get in contact with me, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay? Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below of the video. Let's get started. Let's give them something to talk about. How about motorcycles, motorcycles, and motorcycles? Yo! Check out this CBR 300R Clinton just bought. I was like, bro, you gotta get a bike. So me and him did a lot of research, found this puppy for $1,300. It does run, but needs a little bit of the love. Needs the Dan touch. It only has 3,000 miles on it. It is a 2016 with fuel injection. We got her for 1,300 bucks. But as you can see, stalls out pretty fast. I can keep it running, but it seems like she's not getting tons of fuel. Or we have a sensor related issue. But it does run. It's a huge plus. So we got a killer deal on it. Sounds healthy. I just got to figure out what's going on with it. So that should be simple enough. We're going to take this thing off the bed of the truck. I'm going to strip the front down a bit. And I think he got a killer deal on this. I think he really got a crazy good deal on this. This is a bike you would normally spend quite a bit of money on. It's a little dirty from where it was sitting. But yeah, I think he got a crazy deal on this bike. So, yep, let's pull this CBR 300R off the trailer, pull it into the garage, and have a look at this sucker. Maybe a thing for another video, but I think we're gonna pop her off here. And so all my boys now got bikes. Edwin, me, my girl. You know who doesn't? Original Dobo. Y'all gotta hit him up. Be like, Ken, you need a bike. Come on, ride with the boys. It's time for Ken to get a bike. He needs one. I've got too many. Somebody come take a bike off my hands. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I already know what the problem is with this bike. I just popped the gas tank and it has almost a full tank, but the gas smells bad. It smells like it has bad gas. It smells horrible. It smells like old, yep, gross gas. That's what it smells like. It smells like it has bad gas. So, yep. Something tells me if I drain this tank, this thing will, I need two hands to do this, but this thing will start running. It definitely has bad gas. Like, it smells horrible. The gas clearly went bad a long time ago. It smells like varnish. So, of course, this bike is having a problem running. It's got bad gas. So, it's barely got enough fumes left in it to actually run. So, this thing's been sitting for a while not running. That's the problem with this bike. I don't think it has any other big issues, to be honest with you. I think if I drain that tank and clean the fuel system out best I can and then put fresh fuel in it, something tells me this thing will fire right up. Alright guys, so let's pull the tank off. I've never done it on this bike, but it can't be that hard. I believe seat comes off, rear first, you gotta turn the key, put the key in, turn it. Looks like these are size 8. I'm gonna try to be speedy about this by using some electric tools, and I will speed the video up as I go. So we gotta get this tank off. That's what needs to happen. First, let's get the seat off. Alright guys, fuel pump, everything's been pulled, tank's been emptied. Look at that crappy gas. Clean the filter. Already went and got all that crap out of there. I need to clean this inside of this part of the filter. That's nice and clean, ready to go back in, so we'll prep all that over there. I gotta go wash it off first, and then we'll go ahead and get ready to put the filter back together. And something tells me this thing's gonna run. Once I'm done, just gonna go over there, put some gas in the tank, reconnect this thing, and something tells me this thing's gonna fire right up. So yeah, what a pain in the ass getting that tank off there, man. Fuel injections a lot more ridiculous than carburetors. Carburetors, a couple fuel lines attached, disconnect, done. Gravy. This, not so much. Big job pulling all this apart doing this, but it's all right. I think I should have this bike running primo here very shortly. So yeah, that gas reeks, man. That is horrible, horrible gas. I'm actually gonna move this out of the garage because it's gonna fume this entire garage up if I don't, and then I'll drop this off at Advanced in the petroleum container tomorrow. So we'll just let that sit out here. That gas is grotesque. Gross, man. That is horrible gas. So, yep. There we go. Okay, let's move on with life here. Okay, tank has been drained. Just want to show you everything's reconnected now. Boom, all the way up there. All the lines have been put back on, so I'm going to add some fuel inside here, and something tells me this bike will probably fire up. So yeah, let me go get some fuel, and we'll throw some fuel in it and see what happens. All right, we should have a fair amount of voltage going to it now. Let's see what happens. So close. Oh, so close. Oh, she's trying, man. She wants to stay running. Oh yeah, that exhaust smells like poop. It smells horrible. Ooh, she wants to stay running so bad. Woo, come on, Nelly, get some good gas going. Alright, I'm going to add some more gas in there because I don't think I have enough in the tank for all this yet, but it's making definite leaps and bounds in progress. Alright, so for those of you guys who have never seen one of these before, this is what we call a fuel injection pulser. I've pulled the fuel injector out of this bike, and all I do now is tap the positive side really quickly, right? Tap, 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 while I spray the carb cleaner through the bottom of the jet side. So I push this down and I hold it in. I gotta flip this around, but basically I hold it like this, my fingers on that side like that, right? And I hold it together, try to make a good seal while lightly pushing down. And as I'm pushing down, I'm gonna pulse this and clean these little itty bitty tiny jets out on the top. That's the hope. It's been a while since I've used this, and regulating this thing can be pretty hard. It's not an easy task to do this, but let me see if I can get a good hold on it. I will add a little bit of fluid through it like that. Oops, a little too fast. Filled her up a little too quick, got to make a good seal. Okay, so the idea is just to get a little bit going at a time. Light sprays, pulse, there it is. You can see it misting. That's what we want. We want it to mist. Okay. Whew. Telling you right now, proper tools put everything back together. Fuel injector's back in there. Everything's going back in smoothly how it should. I did notice that bolt was almost completely backed out. I could have been losing fuel pressure to that bolt right there. That is for sure. It might have been leaking off, and the bike was detecting it had a problem and started chugging. But I'm going to go through all these connectors while I'm up here now. I'm also going to pull the spark plug and have a look at it because I think it's time. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do too much of the coil. I'm going to test the coil here real quick and make sure it's not oddly sparking. So I'm going to pull the coil out and hook another spark plug to it and make sure I've got good solid spark across the board and it's not like acting weird, like intermittently sparking or something like that. While I'm in here, I may as well do that. But I know that fuel injector is 100% producing fuel now because it is a good hefty spray. So if it's getting fuel, it should be taking it. I'm not seeing black smoke, but I'll tell you what, it should be getting fuel now. So, all right, got the spark plug down here. Let's turn it over and check for spark here. See what happens. Got pretty good solid spark. That's a good sign. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, first startup, Clinton's new 300R. Don't mind the stupid skull stickers. I told you it's loud. I'd give it a little second to warm up. Turn your high beams on. Oh yeah. Oh, she looks good. Sounds good.
315 on the deck. 3,000 miles.
Yep. Yeah, 3,000 miles.
She's back, baby.
Test your horn real quick. The one with a horn on. There you go. Oh yeah, it works. Check your turn signals. Yep. Yep. Let me check the rears. This side. Yeah, that works. Turn signals. Feel out the clutch first. Oh, what's it doing? I think he made a screw up with the shifting. I was like, what is he doing? He got it down now. He hasn't ridden in a while. There we go. He's got it down. Don't be afraid of the water, bro. There you go. Sounds good. He's shifting really early, but sounds good.